this is the Kids Kitchen channel. We found a lot of we found a lot of sea crabs. See one and see so don't
Where are we at? We're at San Francisco Ocean Beach.
Yeah, and Mason and Uncle Ty are trying to find more of these.
What are these? These are sand crab? They look like
No,
sand
no,
crabs,
no
right?
sea crabs.
Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Sand
And then
crab.
it's very hard because we have to keep on digging, and we have to go put our whole hand down. And this is.
Oh, can I see it? Is it moving? Oh my gosh.
Oh, see it. Okay.
Let's see. Let's see if it moves. I think it needs more water. Oh, there it goes. Is it digging? Or
I'm gonna go.
okay, wait. Let's see.
I like it.
Uh,
Wait. Okay, so now we're gonna find a lot, and then now
okay, then that's good enough.
I
Okay?
found the most biggest one ever.
Oh wow. Okay.
Oh.
Don't get more. I think that's enough.
Yeah.
But they say bye.
Bye.